In this video, I'm going to show you how to create the app install campaigns in Google AdWords. So first of all, log into the official website of google.com or adsgoogle.com and log into your account. And then on the upper left corner, you will see create button. So click on that, click the blue plus new campaign, or these classic create button, like campaigns. And in here, you can skip this page. And now in here, you'll need to choose for your objective. So since we're creating an app install campaigns, you'll need to select the app and make sure it's app installed, and then the Android or iOS, it's up to you. And then here, you'll need a URL or package name or publisher, or at least a URL that you can paste in here. So make sure you have it first. So assuming you finish this page or this process, you'll be redirecting to the set budget and bidding page. So in here, you'll need to enter your daily budget and bidding strategy. So you can choose a maximize conversions or a set target cost per installed. And then after that, define your targeting. Choose your campaign locations and languages, that Google optimized placements across search, display, YouTube, and Play Store. And then add at least 2 headlines, a description, and upload images, videos, or HD and all 5 assets. So Google will automatically generate ads based on your content and show them in places with the highest performing. After that, you'll need more of your settings, assets, and badges. So once everything looks good, like publish campaign. And just like that, your app installed is live. So check installs, optimize bids, and keep testing creatives to get the best result. If you found this really helpful, then forget to like and share and subscribe to the YouTube channel.